Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our show. Today we have a audition over here for our new actor, Janab. What's his name? Mr. Asif. We have our respected director over here, Ladla Shah. Right next to him is 50% partner, Farhan Ishaq. We also have some people in the audience today. As you can see,
Daler Mehndi,
Daler Mehndi
and Nusrat Ali Khan.
And Nusrat Ali Khan is here.
Out of his grave. Came out of the grave.
So right now we'll see. What would you like him to do, sir?
I want to see him. You tell him what you want to see. I'll tell him in the morning.
I think you should show us.
I want to see like his girlfriend leave him and he's crying. I want to see this.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, as you heard, he wants him to do a crying scene, a very sad scene where his girlfriend is leaving and he's gonna be crying actually.
Long-term relationship.
It was a real long-term relationship and it's just ending today. And let's see what was his reaction.
As soon as he says action, the director will.
Once we hear action,
Nusrat Ali Khan, I'm ready.
Let's see the.
You ready? You ready, Daler Mehndi?
Let's see the candidate once. Let's just look at him.
Drum roll.
Candidate right there.
How are you, sir?
As soon as you hear action, you're just gonna have to start. Go ahead, sir.
Nice. Yeah, action, brother. Good luck with you.
ये दुख भरी दास्तां सुनाऊं किसको? काफ़ी इश्क से जुड़े हुए थे उसके साथ, लेकिन छोड़ गई मुझे। कुछ तो बात थी उसमें, सीने में दिल है मेरा, बताऊं किसको, दिखाऊं किसको। कुछ बातें हैं जो नहीं कह सका। काश वो अगर मेरे पास अब होती तो मैं उसको समझा सकता, बता सकता कि मुझे।
सर, आपको मैंने गजल गाने के लिए बोला है। I want to see you cry, not a ghazal. Please.
I need to see more sad.
Sad,
Make
cry,
it more
not a
sad.
ghazal.
You want to feel it right in your
I want
heart?
to feel it in the heart. I don't feel it yet.
Your heart is
wanna
not.
be
Your heart is
successful or
not. Your heart is not here.
Where's the
It's
heart?
Here.
I want to feel it in the heart. Okay.
You're doing a very good job, but
Lyrically, he's doing very good.
something else. That's not my requirement.
How about? Are you
I don't feel it yet. No, I
Not
don't
satisfied?
feel it. I want to see more sadness.
down? Two thumbs, like thumbs down, or thumbs up.
I want to retake one more time.
Okay, guys. As you saw, our director and his partner is not happy with his performance right now.
They're not happy.
We would need to.
Let's go to Daler Mehndi and Nusrat Ali Khan.
Let's just take their opinion. What
Daler
does our
Mehndi,
audience think?
What did you think?
It took me 3 years to get a 30-second role, so I don't think by this ghazal he's getting anywhere. He gotta put his heart into it. So
How about you? Nusrat? Hold on, sir. We're not done yet.
He has
All
to
the-
put his heart and soul into it, you know.
He's
know
not
what I'm
ready
saying?
for it, right?
He's not ready for it.
He has to perform, right?
He needs more experience, you know.
Yes. Okay. So
We need him crying. But
Okay,
doing something
let
else.
me just tell you. Now, once again, he's gonna say action.
Okay.
You're gonna start again. Just listen to what our director say. And usually, let me tell you something.
No.
One second.
Let me speak.
Now I'm the
Let me
host.
speak.
Let me finish. Usually, we don't give any more, we don't give any more chances. You're actually getting a good chance today. So
Lala does not ever give.
okay.
I had a good
Now
trip today. That's why I'm happy right now.
let's listen what he has to say. Go ahead.
We want a crying scene. Okay, a crying. You need to cry in the scene. So let's do it one more time, and I want to feel it in the heart, right here.
Yeah, this way.
Okay. So
Whatever you did before,
sir,
that's why nice, but that's
Whatever-
not our requirement. I needed you cry, you know?
yeah.
I'm a good mood today because I have a good tip in my work today. Otherwise, I'll kick you out of my side.
my
This is our chance. Let's go, action. No more talk, please, silence.
Action. Action. Action.
Action, guys.
Action.
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 Talk.
Action, sir.
कहाँ चले गई तुम? हाँ, वापस आ जाओ तुम।
आ गई हूँ।
That was a good one. Who said you smiled? Nobody said you.
Sorry guys, audience में से पता नहीं कोई lady अंदर आ गई थी अभी। हम अभी कट कर रहे हैं, दोबारा से शुरू करेंगे।
Continue.
Sorry about that. That was all.
Can we continue, sir?
Yes.
Can we?
Security.
Can we continue?
Sorry.
Can we continue?
Action.
Yeah, action.
Hot in here, so you better hurry up.
Let's go.
जब मैं आती हूँ एक्शन हो जाएगा.
Okay, wait. फिर आ गई हैं
It's
अंदर.
okay. It's okay.
Security क्या है आगे?
Okay, let's go. Action. Security. So shut up, man. Let him do it.
Me.
Let him do it.
How can you curse?
Let's back up here and कर ले.
चल शुरू कर.
I need some more time.
कर यार कर. There's no problem.
रोना है तुमने.
Nervous नहीं होना.
Cry,
कोई बात नहीं.
cry, cry.
आप लोग cheer up करो ना
Cry,
अच्छे से.
cry.
Cheer up नहीं करो. डरना नहीं.
Yes, Sasha, do it. Let him do it. Come on, see.
I want complete silence.
कितने साल हो गए तुम्हारे बिना, मैं अपने आप को बर्दाश्त नहीं कर पाऊंगा तुम्हारे बिना. तुम वापस आ जाओ.
बोल किस
मैं
तरह?
दूंगा.
बेचारा के अंदर है.
क्या मुझ में ऐसी क्या कमी थी जो मुझे छोड़ के चले गई? कि क्या था? क्या किस तरह समझाऊं मैं तुम्हें?
I want to see your face.
तुम जिस तरह कहोगी, जो कुछ भी कहोगे मैं उस तरह करने के लिए तैयार हूँ, लेकिन मुझे छोड़ के बच जाओ, मुझे छोड़ के जाओ.
Cut.
ब्रा तू गला नहीं है. कहाँ हो तुम?
Excuse me, hold on. Director साहब ने कुछ कहना है. एक मिनट रुकें. Director साहब.
I don't understand these people. Always say let's serious. They never be serious. I don't understand them. I'm
This is serious. You can't get more serious than this. Look.